My dear students, today we are going to discuss about the planning process, the steps which involve in planning process. Generally these steps we follow in our daily activities, but how the organization performs such activities that we are going to discuss and we are trying to compare with our daily life. In planning process, the first step which involves that we call deciding the objectives. Here we need to understand the most important thing is objective, without it no activities are performed. If there is no objective, there is no way the person can reach. So the first and foremost important is the objective decided, objective is determined, and while deciding objective the most important thing is the objective should be achievable, means it can be achieved. It does not mean the objective which you are deciding or the organization is deciding which is not achievable, in the sense if it is high more than the efficiency of the employees. So means the first thing, while the objective is decided, the objective should be achievable, measurable, understand and clear, means it can be measured where we are, where we want to reach, means how many we want to produce and how many we produced. And after deciding objectives, on the basis of objectives, the several plans are created. Here we are discussing about the premises. Premises means the assumptions, means we decide, we assume maybe in the future this much sales can take place. On the basis of these assumptions, the plans are made. In simple terms, what we need to understand, after deciding objectives, the plans are developed on the basis of the past experience so that it can be achieved. Means in the ancient, in the past, what happened, on the basis of this, what can take place in the future. So the plans are drawn. After developing these plans, now in the third process what we do, whatever the plans are created which are achievable, means which helps to achieve the objectives of the organization, these plans are listed sequentially so that the evaluation process can take place easy. Means how the goal can be achieved, which way we can achieve the goals, what are the plans, what are the techniques, such as the goal can be achieved with the help of machine incentive techniques of production as well as the labor incentive techniques of production. Both helps to achieve, but the most important thing is if these are listed sequentially, so we can identify which one is the most feasible. So means whatever the plans, whatever the alternatives we created to achieve objective, these are listed sequentially so the evaluation process can become easy. After listing all these alternatives, each and every alternatives are measured, evaluated on the basis of its profitability. Means here we need to understand the pros and cons of each and every alternatives are evaluated, measured, so that the best can be selected. Means any one alternative like labor incentive and machine incentive, which one is most profitable? The labor incentive techniques also measured now, the machine incentive techniques also measured. And when the both the techniques, when the advantage and disadvantage are measured, then the evaluation process becomes easy. After evaluation of each and every alternative, the best alternative is selected. We may have a different ways to achieve it, we may have a different plans, but while deciding objective, means while deciding the alternatives to achieve objectives, we need to select that type of plans which is most feasible. Most feasible means these words comprises many things. Feasible in the sense most profitable, most reasonable, which takes less time, which takes less resources, and which gives the maximum outputs. That plan is selected. And after selection of the plan, the planning becomes meaningless if it is not taken into the action. It means if the action is not taken, only the thinking process takes place. It does not mean there is a mean of planning. So means all those alternatives which are selected to achieve the objective, these alternatives are kept under the plan. So the implementation process, so means taking action process starts. And after putting the plans into the action, means after taking actions, whether the plans are moving towards the right directions or not, these are regularly measured, observed. Means in this, we need to understand the correction takes place. Means all those plans which we kept under the action, means the alternatives which we created to achieve objective, whether that is moving towards the right direction or not, whether it is going towards the right direction or not, means it is working, the plan is actually working according to the requirement or not. So means here the plans are monitored, observed, and some cases if does not means if in case if the plan does not works, the new plans are selected or supportive plans are selected, that we call derivative plans. So means the plan which are created to support the main plans are called derivative plan. So my dear, today we discussed the process of planning. In this we said, in the first process of planning, objective is decided, means the goal is decided, and to achieve goals, several plans are created on the basis of past experience. And whatever the plans are created, these are listed sequentially so that evaluation process can become easy. And after listing alternatives, each and every alternatives are evaluated or measured on the basis of positive and negative aspects or nature or benefits or demerits. And after evaluation of each and every alternative, the best alternative is selected, which is most feasible, profitable, which takes less efforts, less resources, gives high outputs. And selection of alternatives means after evaluation of each and every alternative, the best alternative is selected, which is most feasible, and after selecting the best alternative, these are kept under the action. Mean these are taken into the action, means the plans are implemented, and whether the plans are moving towards the right direction or not, these are regularly monitored, observed, checked, that we call follow up. Have a great day, guys.